everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I'm super excited. I have got so much makeup. This massive box to get through. I'm going to my mum's today, so it's not going to be crazy looks on my eyes or anything like that today. I'm just testing out some products. I will be obviously doing little like snippets throughout the day, letting you know how the makeup is setting on my face, how it's working out. Let's get straight to it. So I've already done my brows, guys, because I don't have any new brow products. I've already washed my face this morning using the new Aveeno Calm and Restore. The cleanser is gorgeous. It is super soft, super smoothing. I've used it for a couple of weeks now and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And then I used the toner afterwards on a cotton round. Just went around my face. I didn't use the serum or the moisturiser in today's video because I have not seen my Danny DeFracis mystery box, and I'll link it up above or down below. Please be sure to go and check that out because that was an absolutely amazing video, if I do say so myself. So this is the Glow recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Pink Moisturiser. So this is what I'm going to be using today. It smells absolutely divine. And yeah, I'm just gonna quickly pop this all over. It feels hydrating, so people with dry skin like myself are gonna love this product. So the next product is, and I've been using this from Aldi and I picked it up. It's the Licura facial cream, but I've been using it as an under eye cream because it's so thick. The little pot reminds me of like Kiehl's. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop a little bit of this, not too much, but just a little bit. I saw it in Aldi. Oh god, I've got to open my lids now and I didn't want to do that. It's a really nice hydrating cream as well. So just to let those skin products really settle into my skin and do their job, I'm now going to go straight onto the eyes. So this is the Lion King Revolution palette. It looks absolutely stunning. So these are all the swatches and I'm just going to go into that brown, which is called Ed. I'm just literally putting that straight into the crease. It's such a nice colour and it's about 10 o'clock now, so I want to do like little intervals throughout the day and do like a wear test of these products as well. I think I'm going to go into this pukey kind of greeny colour and it's called the Outlands. So I'm just going to dip my brush in there and I'm going to use that just to blend any edges. I think I'm going to do a little bit of a cut crease moment. Now, I didn't want to do anything too crazy. No, please no. That blue's really calling my name and it's called Throne. Yeah, I'm just going to do it. So with my finger, I'm going to go into Throne and just pop that across. And I think these like shimmer shades do really go on better with the finger. So my thoughts on this palette are absolutely lovely. The colours literally merge together so well. I knew they would because I'm a big fan of Revolution. For primer, I've picked up the Be Perfect primer. So this is their Perfection Primer Silky Matte and I picked this up in Boots and I've been dying to give it a go. It feels like a gel going onto the skin. It has got a little bit of a scent to it, nothing too crazy, but just a little bit of scent. Yeah, I mean, it's a primer, so I won't be able to see any benefits from a primer until I've worn like the foundation on top for a while. I also picked up the Chroma Cover foundation from Be Perfect as well. This is the matte foundation. Super excited about using this, to be honest, guys. So the bottle looks bougie as hell, basically. It looks really, really nice. Oh, I thought it was going to be like a doe foot, but it's actually a pump. I'm just going to pop a few little splodges on and I'm going to go in with my fake Real Techniques sponge. I got this from Home Bargains. So I'm just going to, I mean, I think the cover, I mean, it looks a little bit yellow, but I think the colour looks okay. Drag it down the neck. It is looking a little bit yellow, but in person it doesn't look as yellow. I feel like it's oxidising a little bit. I mean, I don't know if you can tell where I've not put it, but it does look like it oxidises, guys. So I'm in the shade, what shade did I pick up? N3. But yeah, I can see it there, look, it's oxidising quite a lot actually. I mean, at least I'm only going to my mum's today, so if I turn into an Oompa Loompa, it's a shame. Overall actual feel of the foundation, it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel cakey. It feels quite lightweight for a full coverage foundation. It feels very light on the skin. It feels like I've got nothing on the skin at all. And the overall look of the foundation looks really, really nice on my skin. It's not like seeping into any crevices or anything like that. So obviously I picked up the concealer in the Chroma Cover concealer. This is a liquid concealer and I got mine in W1, and I think that's the lightest one they do. For the foundation, they have got quite a big shade range, which is fantastic. So they go from quite light to quite deep skin. I'm not sure how many foundations in the range they have, shades of foundation in the range they have, but I put all that information down below and on screen of how many shade ranges of the foundation that they have. So like I say, I got the concealer to go with the foundation. I'm just going to pop a little bit here in the usual places. And it's really nice. It's a really nice bright concealer. I like to bring brightness into the center of my face, so I think that's going to do that. So I'm just going to let it sit there for a little minute. I'm going to be cream bronzing today, so I'm going to use the XX Revolution cream bronzer in the shade Inspire, which I think is the lightest shade. They do 3 different shades. Well, they did in my boots anyway. They did 3 different shades. So I've got Inspire, which is the lightest one. And I'm going to cream bronze. So this one is like a dupe for, I think it's the Chanel bronzer. So I've heard anyway. But yeah, it looks a little bit like the Chanel bronzer. This was, I think, between £10 and £15. So I'm just going to be using the Face Shape Jessup's brush, and I'm just going to swirl my brush in there, and I'm not going to go too crazy, and I'm just using like patting motion. That down first, pop a little bit around the forehead, and this is perfect shade for me because I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to cream bronzers or anything like that. So I'm going to put a little bit under the lip. So then I'm just going to buff out, so I'm just going to blend the concealer first, well, the bronzer first. It blends out really, really easy. Yeah, it's blending out really, really nicely. I don't have any cream blush at the but yeah, I've not got any cream blusher at the moment, or liquid blush. But that's looking really, really nice on the skin, guys. I've not got any new powder or anything. I'm just going to powder my face and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I've powdered that all down and it is oxidizing like... it is, the foundation is oxidizing. So I would suggest if you get that foundation to go down a shade. Basically because yeah, it does oxidize, which is not the end of the world, because like I say, I've got white mixes that I can just pop in there just to make it a little bit more lighter. So for powder bronzer, I'm using Revolution again. So this is the Revolution Glow range, and it's their Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer in Fair. So I think they had 3 different shades in this as well. I will put all, obviously, products down below if I remember. So she looks like this. Oh my god, how aesthetically pleasing is that? and it's quite a big pan as well, guys, to be honest. I'm just going to cover the mirror, but that's quite a big pan. I mean, it's nearly as big as my head, so it's a big pan. And to apply that, I'm just going to use my Zoeva Face Finish brush, and I'm just going to pop a bit on there. It is very pigmented, so I'm going to go quite high up so it like snatches my face up. The double chin. Yeah, I really like that. Again, it's really pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. I'm just going to use my sponge just to blend that all nice. So guys, because we put quite a lot of powder on, I'm going to put some face mist on. We are using Revolution again. I've not used a lot of Revolution for a while, so there seems to be quite a lot of Revolution in this video today. So I've picked up Coconut Restore Fixing Spray. So this is the rehab one. It's got coconut fixing spray, set and refresh the skin, and you get 90 mils in here. And it basically reminded me of the Too Faced Hangover Primer spray thing, because it's got coconut in it basically. I have two blushes that I've kind of got. So one I picked up myself. This is the W7 Blush Rehab. Now this reminds me of the NARS Blush Orgasm Blush. It is so beautiful, and this was about $1.99, $2.99, something like that. I got it from the range, and then I got the Kevin & Calm one out of the mystery bag. The packaging is absolutely stunning, and then it looks like this. I think I'm going to use this one today, guys, and I'm just going to use my favourite all-time blush brush from Real Techniques. Oh, that is just such a beautiful, very light though. That is really pretty. It's like give a little bit of a sheen to the skin as well. I'm going to put on some highlight now. So this is from Sigma, and it's their Beaming Glow Illuminating Powder in Fairy Dust. Oh yeah, how bloody pretty that. I'm still into the whole highlight phase. I love it. That is just beautiful. I can't say any more words for that, guys. Going back onto the under eye, I'm not going to do anything too easy because I'm going to my mum's. So I'm just going to take this really flat pencil, like this flat brush, and I'm just going to pop that right into my waterline. And I think I'm just going to leave the under eyes like that. Just gonna curl my lashes. Didn't get any new mascara because I'm using 3 at the moment, and I want to use those up before I purchase another mascara. So one of the mascaras that I'm going to use today is the Maybelline Sky High mascara. This mascara is fantastic, especially if you don't want to wear lashes or anything like that. It really is good. I mean, it's not as good as what it said on TikTok. I mean, there's no denying it. It is a really nice mascara. So guys, I'm going to be using Power Matte Pigment Lip from NARS. This is in the shade Vein, so let's just pop her on, shall we? Oh, that colour. Oh guys, that colour is gorgeous. I'm probably going to get it all in my teeth. It feels nice on the lips. It doesn't feel drying. It feels like a satin matte, basically. It does not feel drying on the lips. Then the last thing on top of that, I'm going to pop the Pout Bomb by Revolution. So this is a plumping lip gloss, and I have tried this in the past. I do love it, so it is a favourite. And I'm just a little bit, nothing too crazy, just a little bit, but that just gives the lips a nice little bit of a juicy look. What the finished look looks like after all those new products. What do you guys think? Comment down in the comments. Let's have a chat. Let's talk about them. Is there any of these products that you want to try and you want to know my thoughts on them? So guys, I'm going to go to my mum's now, and I will check in with you guys every couple of hours, let you know the wear of the makeup, let you know how it's doing. So yeah, I will see you guys in a little while. So guys, just got to my mum's now, and oh my god, this foundation has oxidized like a bitch. I mean, look at my hand to my face. This is oxidized so bad. It looks nice on the skin, it's just the colour is not the one. It's been on for probably about an hour now, the makeup. It's starting to crease a little bit under my eyes, but I'm human, I'm gonna crease under my eyes. The lipstick is still on perfectly, the eyeshadow still looks amazing. So I will check in with you guys in another couple of hours. And yeah, look at, I can't believe this.
A few hours later.
Hey guys, so just checking in. I've literally just come out of my mum's. So the lipstick has obviously come off because I've had something to eat. But the makeup is looking really good. It's not seeped into any of my fine lines or anything. I mean, I'm starting to get a little bit of shininess here and a bit on my chin, but other than that, it all looks pretty good. So I'll do a final check-in probably about 8:30, 9 o'clock tonight, and let you guys know how it's doing.
One eternity later.
So guys, gonna do the last check-in with you guys. I was just literally about to wash this off, and I thought, I need to give you guys my final thoughts. So overall, I really do like this foundation. It's really, really nice. It stayed nice on the skin. I'm starting to get a little bit shiny around the T-zone. It's come off my chin. The lipstick's come off. It's just literally the lip liner that's stayed on. It's come off a little bit around here, so the spots are starting to peek the ugly heads through. The coleslaw showing its ugly head, and the eyeshadow has stayed on really, really well. So I'm really happy with all the products that I've picked up. But like I say, with the foundation, you definitely it oxidizes like a bitch, it really does. So I'd say probably go a shade lighter than what you would. I mean, I'm in, I think it's N3, where I'm probably going for N2 next time if I pick it up. So other than that, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, hit that subscribe button because it would mean the absolute world to me. Hit the notification bell because that way you won't miss any uploads that I upload, and I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. And yeah, other than that, guys, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in next week's video. Love you lots. Bye.